The garden is moving. Guess our next location. Where are we going to? Let's see what survives and what doesn't. That's our bitter leaf. We'll see how many things survive this move. In the middle of summer, with everything blooming and flowering and fruiting. So we're pruning and trying to report everything. EsteeLicious Garden is moving in full bloom. To get it ready, you have to prune. Prune them properly, so they are as compact as possible, and stick them. Sometimes you have to tie them, so that they don't move in transit. And again, prune most of the leaves that are damaged and yellowing. Then you can move them one pot at a time. This is the beauty of container garden. Save seeds just in case they don't survive. So these are water leaf seeds. This is amaranth, so you dry them and save the black seeds. So once they're dry, the seeds will be black. And then for the amaranth, the seeds are inside. See the black seeds? All these seeds and flower came from one plant. Before you move them, water the plants a day before the move. Harvest as much as you can, and save them. We're harvesting garden eggs. Bell peppers. Curry leaves. Cucumbers. And lastly, our ripened tomatoes. Stay tuned with EsteeLicious for more garden updates.